sing ABC, let's start.
A is for apple, crunchy and bright. B is for butterfly taking flight. C is for cloud, floating so high. D is for dolphin swimming by. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for firefly all night long. G is for giraffe, reaching the trees. H is for helicopter, flying with ease. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jelly, jiggly and bold. K is for kangaroo, hopping away. L is for lantern, lighting the way. M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, birds in flight. O is for octopus, swimming below. P is for parrot, with feathers that glow. Q is for queen, with a crown of gold. R is for rainbow, colors unfold. S is for snowman, made of snow. T is for tiger, in the jungle below. U is for umbrella, shielding from rain. V is for violin, playing a tune in the lane. W is for whale in the deep blue sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Y is for yawn, sleepy and slow. Z is for zebra with stripes that glow.